Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best drift car 1/16 scale RC car available right now. The Sakeye RC Drift Car. Whether you're a hobbyist, a casual enthusiast, or looking for an epic gift for someone who loves speed and style, this is the RC car you've been waiting for. Let's start with the first impression. This car looks incredible. It sports a sleek, sporty design with a tough shell that doesn't just look cool, but also helps protect it from bumps and crashes. This is a high-speed remote control car that knows how to make an entrance, or a drift, every time. Now when it comes to control, this isn't your average toy. The Sakeye car is powered by a 2.4 GHz remote system and a four-wheel drive configuration. What that means is better traction, smoother turns, and proportional acceleration that gives you just the right speed when you need it. This beast can hit up to 18 km per hour. That's pretty fast for its class. One of the coolest features? The dual lighting system. You get LED headlights up front and an insane LED mist sprayer at the back. Yes, you heard that right. Just tap the spray button on the remote, and the rear of the car shoots out a mist with vibrant lights, turning every drift into a high-drama, high-style moment. It's the kind of feature that makes people stop and ask, "What is that?" And no one likes the fun to end quickly. That's why Sakeye includes not one, but two rechargeable batteries. Each battery gives you over 20 minutes of runtime, so together you're getting close to 40 minutes of non-stop racing. That's almost double the playtime you'd expect from most RC cars in this price range. But it's not just about power. This car adapts to how you want to drive. The Sakeye hits the sweet spot. It combines durability, performance, versatility, and flair, all for a very reasonable price. It's more than a toy, it's a piece of high-end toy art that looks amazing even when it's just parked on your shelf. And here's the best part, it's not just for kids. This RC car is great for boys, girls, adults, even grandparents who want to experience the thrill of remote-controlled speed. Whether it's indoor fun or tearing up an outdoor track, the Sakeye RC Drift Car delivers every time. So if you're in the market for a 1/16 scale drift car that checks all the boxes, performance, design, battery life, and just plain fun, this is the one to beat. The Sakeye RC Drift Car earns our seal of approval here at Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest products out there. See you in the next video.